iQOO has been teasing the arrival of the iQOO Z11 in China. Image gives a good look at the iQOO Z11's Blue Edition. The rear panel carries a squircle-shaped camera island that houses 2 camera sensors along with an LED flash. iQOO has confirmed that the iQOO Z11 will feature the company's first 165Hz eye protection gaming screen. The Z11 could feature a 6.83-inch OLED display offering 1.5K resolution. The smartphone will include a 9,020 mAh battery, which the company claims will be the largest battery ever used on an iQOO phone. Support 90W fast charging. The phone is also rumored to run on a mid-range processor. It is also expected to arrive with up to 16 GB of RAM and as much as 512 GB of internal storage. The device is tipped to be priced between 2,000 Yuan and 3,000 Yuan. The device is expected to launch this month in the home market. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.